Do you have a sweet tooth and love to eat something sweet post your meals? Or are you just looking for a healthy and nice recipe to make for the upcoming festive season? If you are, you've come to the right place, and today we are going to make some date energy balls. Hi, I'm Shweta and welcome to 3 Spoonsful by Shweta Mehra. So let's get started by making some amazing dates and full of healthy dry fruits and nuts. These are very nice energy balls. They stay well, you can travel well with them, and they are just a super sweet to have. We are not going to add in any sugar and instead just a lot of dry fruits and good yummy things. So let's get started. So what we do is we'll heat a pan, and to it we'll add a little bit of ghee. Once the ghee is melted, we are going to add tragacanth gum, which is known as Gond or Gond Katira in India. So Gond is fabulous. It maintains a great digestive system. It's very good for postpartum recovery, and a lot of nursing mothers are given laddus made out of this, so that their milk supply gets boosted. So this Gond, basically once you start putting it in ghee and roasting it and sauteing it around, it sort of puffs up like a popcorn. When it puffs up completely, that's when it's done to use for any recipe. You don't have to use it raw. Now that it's all puffed up, I'm going to just remove it into a plate. So this Gond, you have to actually pulse it or crush it. Ideally it's done by hand. If you do it in a mixer, it's just going to stick around and sort of lose its properties. So I'm trying to go here with a mortar and pestle and crush it down, and it becomes a very fine powder after that. And that is the form in which you have to use it to make any of the sweets. So now to the very same pan, I'm again going to start the heat and not add anything else, any more butter, and just start roasting our dry fruits. So first I've added almonds and I'll just roast them up a little bit. I have chopped up the almonds over here. If you want, you could even make a powder of all of these dry fruits and add it to the mixture. Like we all know, almonds are one of the best dry fruits to have. People have soaked almonds daily, and that improves their digestive system. It's great for their skin, hair, and almonds are a very nutritious food to eat. So we are going to include these in our energy balls so that we get all their benefits. So once the almonds are roasted, you'll see them slightly change color and you'll have a lovely aroma of roasted almonds. We are going to remove them onto a plate. Next, I'm adding in the cashew nuts, and similarly just dry roasting them for just 2 to 3 minutes. It's advisable to keep the flame low at all times during the making of this entire dry fruit balls, because the dry fruits get roasted very quickly. I'm going to remove them all in the same plate because we have to anyway mix them when we are going to make the balls. Next, I'm adding in poppy seeds. These poppy seeds or khaskhas are fabulous. They fight insomnia. So if anybody is suffering from insomnia, these are a great thing to have. They also improve bone density, and older people especially have them with milk. They start popping up a little bit when they are done in the pan. So that's how you know that it's time to remove them out. If you're going to be traveling with these dry fruit energy balls, it's advisable to leave out the poppy seeds because a lot of times there are restrictions about them. So khaskhas or poppy seeds again go into the plate now. So these are all of our dry fruits, all roasted and nicely kept aside. Now these are dates. I have de-seeded them and I have chopped them up You could also blend them in the mixie so that they just get chopped up. And we start to they melt over the heat. So we start to try doing that. So once they've sort of melted, we are going to go in and add the sugarcane gum powder that we had made first, the gond powder. And the walnuts. And all the other dry fruits. So it is a little tough to mix, and you can see I'm like fighting, and I've already changed my my spoon. I'm using a wooden spoon, and earlier I was trying to use the spatula. But once you know the date mixture, if you could call it that, is warm enough, and the sugarcane gum gets mixed up with it, it sort of starts sticking together with the dry fruits well and making this huge lump together, and that's what we are looking for. So it's now currently stuck to the wooden spoon, and I'm trying to incorporate everything together, and you'll just come to know that it all properly comes together to form this huge mass of a sticky kind of a thing. So now you can see this whole thing is come together, and it's literally stuck to the back of my spoon, and I'm trying to move it around a little bit so that it gets incorporated very well. So at this point it's basically done, and all you have to do is start rolling them together. I've added a few chia seeds over here, and this is the toughest part. You have to grease your palms with some little bit of ghee, and then take a little bit of the mixture on your palm while it's still pretty hot. And because the dates are so sticky, the mixture retains its heat for a long time, and you can see I'm trying to just quickly roll them around on my palms. So just grease your palms as and when you need them, not for every particular energy ball, but and try to make them of a similar smallish size. These contain things like dates, cashews, almonds, poppy seeds, and they are so amazing for health. It's very nutritious. Supposing you're really in a hurry, you just have this and a glass of milk, you're really good to go. It's a great meal in itself. Also, if you're looking to make something for the festive season but you don't want to add in too much of sugar, that's just, I'm trying to cool my palms down. So it's a very good sweet to make. In case you don't want to struggle so much like I am doing in the video, what you could do is you could grease a plate, and you could flatten out the entire mixture and cut it like a barfi sort of a thing. But these balls look really nice, and then you get the entire dry fruit in it as a crunch. If you flatten it down, the layer of dry fruit really thins down. And they are nearly ready, so you can see they look so good, and I've just served them up over here on a platter, and you can travel with them. It's just a fabulous energy ball to have. It is really nutritious, no added sugars, and overall amazing for health. So do give this recipe a try, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit the bell button for notifications. Thank you.